How to log in into Milestone Credit Card account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into your Milestone account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Milestone application in your device. If you don't have the application, simply go to any one of the web browser and navigate to the official website of Milestone Credit Card. After that, once you click on the sign up option, you will be directed to the login page. Here in this page, you need to provide your username and password and then click on login. If you do not remember any one of your username or password, click on forgot your username or password below the login option. Once you do, you need to provide your email or phone number in which you will be receiving a verification code using which you will be able to restore any one of your username or password. Now, if you do not have an account on Milestone, you need to click on the option of register. After that, you need to provide your important details and you will be able to create an account for yourself. So that's it. That is how easily you can log in into your Milestone account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.